Soil preparation is essential for successful rooftop gardening, especially when using grow bags. Creating an organic and cost-effective soil mix can be done using common household items. Begin by gathering materials like kitchen scraps, dried leaves, and cardboard. These ingredients not only reduce waste but also enrich your soil. First, shred the cardboard and mix it with dried leaves. This mixture serves as a carbon source, crucial for composting. Next, add vegetable scraps, eggshells, and coffee grounds, which provide vital nutrients for your plants. If available, include some garden soil to introduce beneficial microbes. To enhance drainage, mix in coarse sand or perlite. This will prevent waterlogging and promote healthy root growth. Combine all ingredients in a large container, ensuring even distribution. Once mixed, allow the soil to compost for a few weeks, turning it occasionally to aerate. This process will create a nutrient-rich, organic mixture suitable for your rooftop garden. When ready, fill your grow bags with the prepared soil and plant your chosen seeds or seedlings. With patience and care, you'll soon enjoy a flourishing garden right on your rooftop, benefiting both the environment and your culinary adventures.